Welcome to Code Station.
Good day everyone. Today we are going to dive into the exciting world of JavaScript variables and data types. Are you all ready to learn? Fantastic. Let's start with the basics. In JavaScript, variables are like containers that store different types of data. Think of them as boxes that can hold numbers, text and more. Now, Sarah, can you give me an example of a variable and what it might store? A variable could be something like score and it might store a number like 100. Excellent, that's a perfect example. Now, what do we call it when we give a variable a value? When we put a value into a variable, we call it assignment. Right on, when we assign a value to a variable, we use is equal to sign, so score is equal to 100. Means we are assigning the value 100 to the score variable. What if I want to change the value of score later in my program? Great question. You can change the value of a variable simply by reassigning it. For example, you can do score is equal to 200 to change it from 100 to 200. What about data types? Variables can hold different types of data. JavaScript has various data types. The most common ones are numbers, strings, and booleans. Numbers are for numbers like 100 or 3.14. Strings are for text like hello world, and boolean are for true and false values. Now let's have a little exercise. I'm going to give you some variable names and you tell me what data type you do use to store data in each.